up, guys? We are back once again. It's daytime, obviously. Some people have been asking me about my DRL black projector headlights I got off of AM, which is American Muscle. Some people love to shop there, some people don't, which is whatever, it's your taste. I kind of shop everywhere, wherever I get a good deal. With these headlights, though, some people have asked me why do mine seem a little brighter, or if I have switched over to LEDs. And yes, I have. For the brand, I think is called Hikari, and I got it off of Amazon. This is not a sponsored thing of a bobber, whatever. I just go on there and buy them. I don't get help, as usual. I do everything kind of solo by myself. It's great. Anyway, it is daytime. In order for you to see these headlights and how they work with my projectors, it's got to be nighttime. So we got to switch over to nighttime, and we're going to show you what they look like. Bye. Out of the loud garage. All right. Got little bumps coming up. I'm alive. All right, these are the LEDs I've gotten for this car. Might be a little hard to see with my big ass hood, but it works. Roll these windows up. There we go. It's a little bit quieter in here. Damn, that's loud. I got my mic sitting up a little higher, so otherwise I'm going to hit the ceiling here. That's why you're sitting just a little low. So it's not too bad. Here's my brights. Back to my regulars. Regulars might seem a little brighter because once I flip back to my normal mode, my fog lights come on, so it might be a little brighter up close. But the Hikari set's not too bad. Hopefully it gives you guys an idea of these LEDs. I mean, I can see, honestly, probably a little further than what the camera might show. So, it's pretty bright. I mean, it picks up all the signs at a far out distance as well as LEDs should. So yeah, pretty nice. Well, we're fixing this to get away until the new one arrives, because I got a couple videos I'm trying to shoot, but in here basically broke off. And it's a sad day. I can fix it just by, good old super glue. Don't mind the mess, this mess in here, but I do have a new mic and setup, whatever, coming from, online. Today we're going to talk about the diffuser. I've had a lot of people ask me about this diffuser. It's made by Brandon Polar on Instagram. If you guys would like one, hit him up, let him know I sent you. Some people like it, some people, it's not their taste, and that's fine. I'm going for more of an aggressive look. I like to be a little different. Sometimes I like to be simple, sometimes I like to be a little aggressive, and obviously I like to change it up. So with this diffuser, you can go small, you can go big. I basically do the large fins, where without these fins, you can have them without these, big fins here. But yeah, let's go in here. I'll show you guys basically without these fins, which are connected. I did 2 bolts here on each fin, as you can see. And it's a little dirty, don't mind it. It's obvious I drive the car. But 2 bolts on each side. I cut it off here obviously so it doesn't stick out so much and look aggressive. Otherwise, without this, it'd just be the diffuser with this down part right here. And that's it. I might have a picture, I'll post it up here if I can, that way you guys can see without the large fins what it looks like. But he also has some that are smaller than this without this, but with this that are actually a little smaller. I decided to go large, so keep in mind, just because I have this one doesn't mean you can't contact Brandon for a smaller one. He does have a smaller setup in different styles, so you can go ahead and check those out. Basically underneath here, let's see if I can climb under here. This car's pretty low. I got a bolt here, here, which these are 2 bolts on each side here. On the back, if you guys can see those 2, those are already there. So you don't have to drill holes there. They're already there. Just got, if you do have anything plugged into here, or well, take it out, put these ones in with this obviously. But you will need to drill holes over here, which is where I did it on the last final one. Right here. On each side. So I got one there, and over here. So not too bad. You don't want to go too tight because you might, you know, obviously bend this out a little bit. It might be a little crooked, but after you get done, tighten them up a little bit, stand back, check it out, make sure everything's, you know, level and decent. You don't want it to be like, you know, out of whack, but it is actually a pretty strong and sturdy diffuser. But I just wanted to show people it's basically 4 bolts to put this part on, and then if you do decide to go with the large fins, there's 2 bolts on each one. That's the way I did it. He didn't really have a setup on how to do it really. It wasn't like an instructions, just kind of, hey, do this if you can, find out a way, which is fine because, I mean, he just basically made them. And I said not to worry about it. It's easy, I can figure it out. So I actually had my father help me get this up, jacked up in the back end to get this stuff done. I wasn't sure what route we were gonna take. So thanks to the old pops for stepping in. Look how low my car is. Look at that shit. It's almost touching. That low life. But yeah, today I'm recording without a mic, so it might sound just a little different. As you guys can see, it's just bouncing a little bit here. But I'll tell you what, it beats any plastic or those other diffusers out there that are not very strong or put together. Here. That's the only movement I have, really. So, if I wanted to probably step on it, I probably could. But we're not going to test that theory. I probably could. Another thing that Brandon does make, hopefully guys that helps you out on how to install this diffuser. It's really simple. It's not too hard to do. Sorry about the sun. He does have a side, like kind of an extension on the side here, if you will. This is hella dirty. I literally just drove through some puddles. I'm going to the store and back. So you have this diffuser, and then he also has a part that sticks out here as well if you would like to. I am going to eventually get that part, which kind of lines up with the diffuser. Well, this middle part here. And then the large, obviously what I've added on. But there is a part he does sell that comes out here as well. So you'll have to bolt on, I believe. I have not looked into that application or how he does that. But shit, I can figure it out. He also makes this, which is basically a hood prop. I do need to repaint mine. It's been sitting all winter and got knocked off the shelf. Lucky me. It's always me. But yeah, it's S197 hood prop. He does make that. He actually makes quite a few different things here and there. So just gonna ask him. The hood prop's really nice. It's very convenient. I had it on my buddy Brian's car, just to kind of show it off for his car. But yeah, it's very convenient for car shows. I think it looks pretty good for a hood prop. And it's cool that he came through and did that, because I was wondering how to do it. There's some people that do some homemade ones with some chains and stuff, and I didn't want the chain look. I want something a little bit more cleaner. And stepping on some leaves in my garage. Yeah, nothing like that. Yeah, hopefully this diffuser video will kind of help some of you guys out. I'm going to add it in with some of the other little videos, my LEDs. Some people have asked me about my LED. I think I got a box over here. About the Hikari set. Again, sorry about all this mess. Right here. These are the Hikaris I bought, LEDs, for my Mustang on the front. If you've seen the videos either prior or after this diffuser video, then you'll see what I mean by the Hikari LEDs. I got them for the headlights and fog lights with the Roush. You know, obviously got the Roush fog lights. Probably have to redo the electrical tape on that too, just to kind of make it look different at night. I'm kind of tired of the electrical tape on there. It looks kind of ghetto. But we'll find out a way. I'm still looking to do a custom bottom grill. Hopefully something that'll match the top grill. Still looking for that. Nobody's giving me any options or ideas. I could, I suppose, try to find the mesh that Roush gave me for this side and then add it on over here. I'm kind of disappointed that they didn't have it, you know, added on there. But probably for reasons. But yeah, the front end's a little dirty too. Still looking at going a different route on the hood. The wheels, I might just keep the wheels for this summer. We'll see. But yeah. Alright guys, if you haven't yet, please stop over and subscribe. Help your boy out so we can get to that 1,000 mark here soon. Thank you.